Today I'm going to show you how to apply decorative borders in Pixlr step by step so you can give your designs a clean, polished, and professional finish in just a few minutes. Whether you're making a thumbnail, social post, flyer, or simple graphic, decorative borders are a great way to add style and make your layout stand out more. And the best part is, this is easy to do right inside Pixlr without needing complicated editing skills. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future Pixlr tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Pixlr and load the project you want to work on. Once your canvas is ready, you can start browsing the decorative border options. The quickest way to do this is by pressing Ctrl and B on your keyboard. You can also go up to the File menu, then browse Elements, and from there click the Borders category icon. This will bring up a collection of decorative border styles that you can use in your design. Now take a moment to look through the available categories. Pixlr usually gives you different visual styles, so depending on the look you want, you can choose something like grunge, pattern, or retro. If your design is bold and edgy, a grunge border might work really well. If you want something cleaner and more playful, a pattern border could be a better fit, and if you're going for a vintage look, a retro style can add a lot of character. Once you find a style framework you like, click on a border layout to apply it to your canvas. Pixlr will place the border element into your project, and from there you can begin adjusting it to fit your design properly. This step is important because even a great border can look off if it isn't aligned correctly. Next, use the Arrange tool. You can select it by pressing V on your keyboard or by choosing it from the left menu. The Arrange tool is what helps you move and position the border so it lines up perfectly with the bounds of your canvas. Carefully drag the border into place, making sure it sits evenly around the edges. If needed, zoom in a little so you can check the corners and confirm everything looks balanced. This is one of the most important parts of the process because decorative borders are meant to frame your design, not distract from it. So take your time and make sure the spacing looks consistent. If the border is slightly too high, too low, or shifted to one side, just adjust it until it feels centered and clean. After that, once the border is exactly where you want it, right-click the border layer and select Lock Layer. Locking the layer is a smart move because it prevents accidental movement while you continue editing the rest of your design. That means if you start adding text, images, or other graphic elements, your border will stay safely in place. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few simple steps, you can apply decorative borders in Pixlr, choose a style that fits your project, align it properly, and lock it down so your layout stays protected while you finish editing. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy Pixlr tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.